index mode. Next, the effective address of the operand is generated by adding a constant value to the contents of a register. That is, if you have to add one constant value to the existing register, content of the register, then we get some effective address. That effective address contains the contents whatever you want. That is called index mode. See, the register used may be either a special register or general purpose register. That is called index register. Index mode symbolically represented as x bracket lo ri, right, where x denoted the constant value. You have to represent the constant value by using x contained in the instruction, and ri denotes the name of the register involved. See, we have to use some register and add the constant value to an existing register, then we get an effective address. That effective address contains the content whatever you need. Ri denotes the name of the register. The effective address of the operand is given by EA. Effective address is equal to x plus Ri. So x, here x is constant value, Ri is register, right? So this is called a index mode, right? Index mode means the contents of an existing, you can add one constant value, you get an effective address. Means that address contains the value whatever you need or operand. Next, here the contents of the index register are not changes in the process of generating the effective address. See, index register contents are here ri, those are not change at the time of generating an effective address. That means while adding of the constant value to the existing ri, the contents of ri doesn't change, right? That is the point here they mentioned. Next, two ways of using index mode. Index addressing, it is also called as index, is depicted as see, we can represent the index mode like this. This is an example. Offset is given as a constant value. See, our instruction is add 20. 20 is a constant value, 20, that is in place of x rnum, right? X value 20, r1 comma r2. See, r1 contains 1000, right? 1000. So for the purpose of getting 20 r1, that means 1000 plus 20. See here, 1000 plus 20 address contains operand. This 20 is called as offset value, right? So this is called indexed mode. Once again, please listen carefully and watch carefully. Instruction add 20 bracket r1 comma r2. For the purpose of getting that r1 content, you need to add the register address of r1 plus the 20. See, r1 contains 1000, whatever the value, 1000, right? 1000 plus we need to add that x, that is the value of x here is 20. So the total address is 1020. See, here we observe 1020 contains operand. So that operand is added with the value of r2, right? So that is the one way of representing index mode. See, the index register r1 contains the address of a memory location, and the value x defines an offset or displacement from this address to the location where the operand is found. See, one more example. See, add 1000 comma r1. See here, 1000 is the offset value of 20 offset value. See 1000 comma R1 contains 20. 1000 plus 20 1020 contains operand. Reverse, right? Here in previous example x value is 20, in this example x value is 1000. R1 register contains the value 20 and the value of x is 1000, so total 1020 contains operand, right? Here the constant x corresponding to a memory address and the contents of the index register defines the offset to the operand, right? So in either case the effective address is the sum of the two values. One is given explicitly in the instruction and another one is other is stored in the register. That is the difference of both two, right? This is the representation of index mode. Next, relative addressing. Index mode is used for general purpose process register. In relative addressing, the program counter is used instead of a general purpose register, right? In index register we have to use general purpose registers, but in relative addressing mode, instead of using general purpose register, we have to use a program counter, that is called a PC, program counter. Relative mode, the effective address is determined by index mode using the program counter in place of general purpose register RI, right? Both are little bit same. Instead of using a general purpose register RI, we have to use here a program counter PC. Relative mode symbolically represented as x comma PC, right? Before we have to use x comma RI. Instead of that we have to use x is a constant value, RI is a register, but here x is a constant value, PC is a program counter. The effective address of the operand is given by effective address is equal x plus program counter. This mode can be used to access data operands, right? This is called a relative addressing mode or relative mode. Once again, the difference of index mode and relative mode is both are same, but instead of using a program counter in relative address mode, we have to use general purpose register in index mode. That is the only difference between these two, right? Additional modes. In addition to this, we have some modes. Those are called last two: auto increment and auto decrement mode. Auto increment mode. The effective address of an operand is the contents of a register specified in the instruction. After accessing the operand, the contents of this register are automatically incremented to point to the next item in the list. Its auto increment means a plus plus, the value of A is incremented by 1. B plus plus, the value of B is incremented by 1. Okay, this is nothing but the contents of, after accessing the operand, the contents of the register are automatically incremented to point to the next item in the list. After completion of 2001 content, it automatically goes to 2001, right? That is auto increment, symbolically represented as RI plus. See, means it's nothing but RI is equal to RI plus 1, right? The value of RI is incremented by 1. It normally increments 1, but in byte sized operands or byte addressed memory. For 8-bit operands, for 16-bit operands, 1 for 8 bit, 2 for 16 bit, and 4th are 32 bit operand. The effective address of the operand is EA. Effective address EA is equal to RI comma, right, increment RI means we have to increment the register RI by 1. Auto decrement mode, it is nothing but opposite of increment. The value, the content of a register specified in the instruction are first automatically decremented and are then used as effective address of the operand. Means first whatever the register we have to give, that is decremented by 1, then that address should be treated as the contents of the address, right? Symbolically it represented as minus RI, which is nothing but R value is decremented by 1, right? The effective address of the operand is decrement RI, EI is equal to RI, right? These are the different types of addressing modes. Once again, it is very important one. We have to discuss one more time different types of addressing modes. These are the 10 different types of addressing modes. One more time: immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, absolute, we can also call it as a direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, index addressing mode, base with index and offset value, relative addressing mode, auto increment, auto decrements. These are the 10 different types of addressing modes. Thank you.